everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. I was pretty excited to get some great deals. I felt like this week was going to be kind of bland, and then they had some surprise digital coupons popped out, so you guys definitely want to add those. Some of you guys say you don't get them. Well, what happens if you don't think you get them? Scan them while you're at the store. Scan the product while you're at the store, because sometimes after you scan the product, the digital coupon will appear. And I don't know why it shows up for some people and it doesn't for others. I don't know why, but definitely check those out. So I'm excited to share with you guys on those deals. I'm sorry if I make like a weird look on my face. My tailbone hurts so badly that I cry when I stand up. Like, it's bad. I'm trying to sit on something differently to help my tailbone, but it hurts when I get up. So I'm making a doctor's appointment tomorrow to get that fixed. So if you guys see me moving, I'm like in pain. It's because of that. I hate it. But one thing I do want to mention to you guys, get your free 8x10. I just posted a video this morning with the details on how you guys do this. I try to post these all the time. I am running out of 8x10 ideas. Like, I love 8x10 photos, but I'm like, what else can we get? Because I want to save them for when we have the baby. But I'm like, okay, what can we get? What can we get? And there is going to be, I heard, another one coming around Valentine's Day. So if you guys get one now, you can also get one for Valentine's Day. I got my husband and I, this is from our honeymoon. My husband actually took this. They were doing photos when we were there, and it turned out like crap. I'm like burnt to a crisp, and this is finally where I'm not like super burnt. So he just took his tripod out, and he has a remote on his camera, and we took it. It looks so like it's a photo, but it looks like it's a fake background. And I thought we need more photos of me and him. So I thought this is a super cute photo of me and him. I can't even wear that shirt anymore. It's kind of sad, but I was super excited to finally get some photos, because, you know, but definitely do that. I did a video of that this morning, so you guys want to definitely check that out. It does end on Tuesday the 5th, so you have 2 days to do this deal. The first deal I got is a cereal. Now, you guys have been knowing, what's really sad is my craving from the past week was cereal. I had like 4 boxes of cereal. Like, I was just eating cereal all the time. So I'm not sure what this week's craving is, but we got Lucky Charms. Lucky Charms or General Mills cereal was 2 for $4. You guys want to use that $1 off of 2 coupon that we have on coupons.com. There might be a physical coupon. I can't remember, but I know there's a digital coupon on the Walgreens site if you guys want to use that too. But you guys would pay $3 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit on Savings Star $1 off of 2 on Savings Star, making it just $2. That comes to be $1 a box of cereal, which I always say, get it at $1 or cheaper. I love cereal. I'm a huge cereal fanatic, so I definitely wanted to do that deal. We have a little spot when you walk up our stairs. We have a little landing, and I have a bookshelf there that I put all my cereal, so I don't have to walk all the way downstairs to get it. So I love my cereal. Now, this is a deal that only is for good today, Sunday only. It's the All May makeup remover. Those coupons do expire today. So these are on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. They're $5.99. You guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons that we have from our inserts, I think, in the beginning of January. You guys also want to use a 4 off of 2 Walgreens coupon in the booklet. You guys would just get these for $2.98 or $1.50 a piece. I want to say this is actually my favorite. Well, actually, it used to be my favorite makeup remover. I don't remove my makeup. It's pretty much wiped off, rubbed off my face by the time I go to bed, because between me rubbing my face and taking naps, and it's just like whatever, I don't hardly have any makeup on by the time I go to bed. But I do like these, but I started using the other wipes that you get a whole wipe to it, and I felt like you get more bang for your buck. But it's up to you guys. These are perfect for traveling, so wanted to do that. The next deal I did is the Arm & Hammer deal. Now, we did get coupons for that. Plus there's coupons on coupons.com. There's digital coupons on the Walgreens app. And you guys can go to the Arm & Hammer website and print coupons off too. So I know a lot of people will be getting Arm & Hammer wasted, but there will be a lot of stores that are limiting these. So just giving you guys a heads up. My store didn't limit them, but I'm not going crazy. But these are all $1.99. You guys use that dollar off coupon that we just got. You guys would just get these for 99 cents. So people love stocking up on the Arm & Hammer. So I got 2 of the different Arm & Hammers of the liquid. And then I got the power packs. Again, 99 cents. So love it when I can do that. I did the Carmex Super Crayon. Now I've been waiting to do this deal again. I have yet to try these, but cranberry butter is not that bad. I should do this. I'm like a huge I gotta have something on my lips all the time. I'm just chapstick constantly. But these were $3.99. They're on sale for buy one get one 50% off. You guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons that are on coupons.com. You guys would pay $3.98 for these, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta times 2, and you guys get 1,000 points, and this is a deal where you guys can pay with the points and get points, but you guys would get these for about 49 cents a piece, so I think that is a pretty great deal. It's up to you guys what you guys want to do on that. I'm hoping Ibotta is a great month this month. I'm definitely hoping it is a great month. So I didn't do the Lindt chocolate deal, and the reason is because I get an employee discount, so I'm just like, I don't really need to do it. I might save it for another time because they're always 2 for $2, so we'll see how that goes. I was going to do the Schick razor deal, but as I was scanning the razors at the store, the 7 off of 2 coupon was not popping up, so I didn't want to buy the product if the coupon was not popping up, because that means when I actually did buy it, it would have not came off, so I didn't do that deal. They're in the middle of resetting a whole bunch of stuff for the razors, so I'm like, whatever, it's not a big deal. I can get razors any other time. So we got that. Now they just added a awesome digital coupon for the Herbal Essence. Now with the coupons that we got for the paper ones, they were 2 off of 2. Not the greatest. But we ended up getting an 8 off of 4 digital coupon. Now what I always do is I scan the products while I'm at the store on the Walgreens website or on the Walgreens app. Because if that digital coupon pops off, that means that coupon you should have no problems. But there was one product that I picked and it said it didn't exist. So I'm like, okay, if that means it didn't exist, that coupon might not come off. So that's what I kind of do. I always make sure I scan the items on the app to make sure that that digital coupon will pop up saying that this is an option. Because a lot of people are like, well, my coupon didn't work. It's because sometimes it's not attached to certain products. So now you guys can mix and match. You can do all Aussie, you can do all Herbal Essence. I did both. So these are all 2 for $6. So I got 2 of the Aussie and then I got 2 of the Herbal Essence. Now these are always what I buy every time I do the Herbal Essence sale. This is what I use. This is how I curl my hair. I've been using this stuff for 10 years probably. So I always get them. This is something I never get rid of or donate or anything. I keep it all for myself. But these are all 2 for $6, so I got $12. You guys use that. $8 off of 4 digital coupon. You guys would just get these for $1 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but hey, I think $1 a piece for shampoo and conditioner and styling products is actually a pretty good deal. So got all those. I was pretty excited about. I ended up getting this Playtex Sippy Cup. Now, if you guys are interested in something like this, go for it. If not, it's not. But we did have some coupons. They no longer are available anymore. They were only available for a short time. But I wanted to kind of just show them in case you guys had some. But these are the Playtex Sippy Cups for $6.49. Now, these are regular price. This is an all-month thing, so you guys can do this any deal that you want, or any time that you guys want to do it. You guys want to use that $2 off printable coupon that we had that is no longer available. And there is a $2 off coupon that is in the Walgreens booklet. Now, when I took my picture, I forgot to insert the picture of the booklet, so just remember there's 2 different coupons to use for it. But you guys would get this for $2.49. It's an okay deal. All they had was Peppa Pig, which I'm totally fine with, so got that. A little sippy cup for my daughter to use in the future.
But that's for your sister.
That's for your sister.
Yeah.
I don't have a sister.
No.
Yeah, that's for your sister. Yeah, okay. The next deal you guys want to do with a digital coupon that is, I kind of just figured out, it's not the greatest deal, but hey, if you guys are brand loyal on certain products, this is a pretty okay deal. So these were $6.49. They're buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to buy 3 of them, so 2 of them would be $6.49, the other one would be the 50% off. There is that 7 off of 3 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You guys would end up paying $9.22 for this. Now, you guys cannot use the dollar off coupons that are in the P&G. You can only use either the paper coupons or the digital coupons. It's one or the other. But you guys would get 3,000 points when you buy 3 of them. Now, this is a deal also where you can pay with points and get points. So the final price comes to be $6.22. So that comes out to be like $2 a piece. Not the greatest deal. I did this because I got a discount and I still wanted to share with you guys on something. And this is something I rarely ever get. So I'm like, I'm just going to try it and get it for you. So we got that. And then I ended up getting the blank contacts. Now this deal is on sale all month long. Again, it's $7.99. We have those $3 off coupons that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. Plus there is a $4 off Walgreens booklet coupon that you guys can use. You get this for just 99 cents. So I get these all the time. I don't wear glasses, so I don't really need them. But for 99 cents, that still is a great deal. So that was my total. I ended up doing 2 separate transactions. Funny thing is, I was ready to go to the checkouts, and then I saw like there's 2 cashiers at the checkouts, and people just started lining up and lining up and lining up, and I'm like, there's like 6 people in 2 different lines, and I'm like, how come every single time I'm about to go to the registers, I either go up there when it's dead and then everybody shows up, or just everybody shows up at the same time. But I ended up going to the photo department. I usually check out in the photo department or at the beauty counter because then I don't hold up the lines. And mostly those people are just kind of, you know, more relaxed. So.
I want those.
You want what? These?
Yeah.
Okay, don't ruin it. You can just play with one for now, okay?
These are Legos. Guys, these stick to wall too.
Yeah. Okay, have Daddy help you with it. So we got that. So like, I'm just like, why? Why does it happen to me every single time? But I did pay with points, so I didn't truly pay exactly what I'm telling you guys for a total, but I did do 2 separate transactions. So my total came to $21.65. Please remember, I did not actually pay that out of pocket. I actually paid like $10 literally out of pocket because I paid $10 worth of points in 2 separate transactions. I ended up receiving 4,000 points. That was 3,000 points for the Old Spice and then 1,000 points for the Super Crayon Lip Balm. I got $2 back with the lip balm from Ibotta, and then I'll be getting $1 back from General Mills cereal. So my total came to $14.65. Not the greatest haul, but I did get, I don't have any scissors down here, honey. But I did get some pretty good deals. I was pretty excited to share with you guys deals. My most excited one was definitely the Herbal Essence deal, and then the General Mills, because I love cereal. So 20 items comes out to be 73 cents a piece. Again, not the greatest haul, but hey, I'm excited to share with you guys at least some deals than most deals, but I might do a second haul. It all depends on the weather. It all depends on what's going on. If I can find some more deals for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys again for another Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.